Hi, welcome to Matt's Garage. Today we're replacing my hose reel because the old one, can you see that? You don't want 150 psi popping out of this thing. I mean, two reasons. One is it'll whip and kill you or hurt you anyway, and then two is if you're not home and your compressor starts running and you don't turn your compressor off, which you should do by the way, but let's say you don't, and that thing's just letting air out, that compressor will run all day, burn your house down. So good thing to replace it. So let me show you how it's done. I went to the Harbor Freight, just bought a 25 foot replacement hose. The problem with these Diablos is they have, it's a gift and a curse. The Diablos have this guard at the end to prevent exactly that from happening. So I'm just gonna cut one side off because it's hard to get the hose guard and stuff to work with this thing. So I basically just snip one side off, which is kind of a pain to do without hitting the hose, and then leave the other side on. That way, hopefully this hose will last me a lot longer than that other one did. Although it like 2 years of pretty heavy abuse with the Bronco, so not too bad. Isn't it ironic, don't you think? Little too ironic. Daggers. The thing that I don't like is like, you expect a man, I did, but one who would be interested in a man of their dreams would expect the wife to be beautiful. So it's not ironic. I mean, I guess what I'm saying is, in order for it to be ironic, it needs to be unexpected. It should be like, it's like meeting the man of your dreams and then meeting his butt ugly wife. See, that would be ironic. I've actually been on a bit of like a 90s chick rock band kick lately. So while there at my last job, I was so unhappy. Like when you just feel like no one's paying attention to you, even though they should be, somehow Gwen Stefani really, she just connects with that vibe. I don't know what that's all about. I'm just gonna thread that into this rotating thingy here. And then, now you gotta be careful, you don't want to dislodge. I've got this locked into the full lockout position there. What you don't want to have happen is have it sproing while you're working on it. So just be conscious not to be too herky-jerky with anything. Okay, good stuff there. We have one clamp here. Oh, we've got the nut down, Captain. No. You're so new. Another hose clamp. This one goes on the back side. Put quick connects on this center hub, which is useful. And this is just a 4 foot piece I bought from Amazon. Go away. Nice. The feeling has got to stay. The Harbor Freight connection hardware is really not very good. So what I use is these from Amazon. It's color connects. Yeah, come with a set of all this stuff. I find it pretty good. That's how to replace the old cracked hose from your Harbor Freight hose reel. Done.